Hi! I am Jamal Alvarez and welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. So today is Saturday, which means it's another wash day. So kanina, I was very doubtful kung makakapag-shoot ba ako ng content for today kasi grabe yung ulan kanina, it's not stopping, you know? Hindi siya natigil. But thankfully, ngayon, tumigil na din yung ulan and I think we can shoot some good content for today. So, bihis lang muna ako May pasok na kasi ako mamaya and watch out for my outfit for today. It's very, very cool. I'm trying to be edgy and cool and fierce at the same time. So, this is my outfit. It's giving Riverdale. I'm all done dressing up. Tapos na ako mag-ayos sa sarili and it's time to go to school. Charang!
qualified na sa LIDA project. Nagana siya ang Procuring Entities Engineer sa work. Pero pag hindi siya maka-attend, pwede siya mag-send sa qualified representative na makabulig na mag-assist sa engineer sa Procuring Entities Engineer na magahimo sa measurement.
So, I just got back from school. Doon na ako ngayon sa aking room. My day is not that productive at some point. Pero, productive naman siya in a way na meron naman ako na-accomplish today. Nag-report ako, diba? Meron kasi yung reporting. I studied it. Yeah, I finished eating. Tapos na din akong kumain ng dinner ko. And, yeah, quick story. Kaninang umaga, I was supposed to film some content. So, bala ko talagang mag-film ng content kanina. Kasi may pasok ko kaninang umaga. But, the problem is, sobrang lakas ng ulan. I can't really film content. But, meron akong binidyohan na rain na umuulan sa during school hours. And then, pagbalik ko, here sa room, biglang nag-brown out kasi nga sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ayaw tumigil. And then, hindi na ako nakapag-film ulit ng content kasi nga, nalobat na yung phone ko. And I was hesitating kung itutuloy ko pa ba yung entry ko for today, kung ngayong araw. So, natulog na lang ako. But thank goodness, nung nagising ako, may ilaw na at tumigil na yung ulan and I was so happy kasi makakapag film pa ako meron pa akong time para makapag-film pa ako ng content and so yeah, that's it. That's just a quick story. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you made it here, thank you so much. So you're so much appreciated. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for supporting me all the way through, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.